Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to export emails from Microsoft Outlook for backup, step by step. This method will create a PST backup file that stores your emails safely. Let's start. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Wait until Outlook fully loads and your mailbox is visible. Now, look at the top left corner and click on the File tab. On the File screen, click on Open and Export. Next, click on Import Export. This will open the Import and Export wizard. In the wizard window, select Export to a file. Click Next. On the next screen, select Outlook Data File .pst. This file type is used to back up emails and folders. Click Next. Now you will see a list of your email accounts and folders. Click on your email account name at the top if you want to back up all emails, including inbox, sent items, and custom folders. Make sure Include subfolders is checked. Click Next. Now click Browse to choose where you want to save the backup file. Select a safe location such as Documents, Desktop, or an external USB drive. Enter a file name, for example, Outlook Email Backup. Click OK, then click Next. Outlook may now ask you to set a password for the backup file. This step is optional. If you want password protection, enter a password. If not, leave it blank and click OK. Outlook will now start exporting your emails. Once the process finishes, your email backup is complete. That's it. You have successfully exported your emails from Outlook and created a backup PST file. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Outlook tutorials.